What's up guys, Odyssey cubing here, and today I've got an unboxing from the Cubicle. Today we have the QiYi Mini M. Basically I got this because my normal WuQue is not very good. It's very slow, and no matter how many times I try and set it up, it just doesn't want to get good. But yeah, I've actually never tried this cube before, so we'll see how it is. Pop. Alright, let's turn this puppy. Okay. It's a little looby on the outside. Magnets are really light. Yeah. Yeah, it hardly even feels like there's magnets in there, really. You probably can't see this very well on the camera, but here's the size difference. Maybe that'll be better. It's actually quite noticeable when you put it in your hands. And I've heard that to get this cube to be kind of what you want it to be, you want it on, like, very specific tensions. And I can tell that, like, as I'm just doing these moves on different sides, it's not all, like, even. It's getting faster as I'm turning it, but I think it's a little slippery right now because of the lube on the outside. But I definitely think the tensions need to be played with. It's not horrible right now. Compared to my, like, normal size played with WuQue, I guess you could say. I have this WuQue on, like, relatively loose tensions as opposed to this, which is pretty tight right now. And it kind of shows because it's not cutting very well. The inner magnets are definitely a little bit stronger than the outer magnets, which I have heard people say. I definitely think tensioning is the key to this cube right now. So yeah, I'll mess around with it. I'll do a few solves, probably tension it, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so it's been a little while, and I've played with this cube, messed around with it a little, and it's definitely growing on me. And all I had to really do was loosen it by 1/4 turn. I originally did a half turn, or 2/4 turns, and that was way too loose, and I felt like it was going to pop. So I tightened it back up 1/4 turn, and that seems to work really well. It seems to have stopped getting faster as I'm turning it, so I guess that was just a kind of a one-time break-in thing, if that makes sense. And yeah, the cube is definitely growing on me. I personally really like the 60mm size as opposed to the 62, but that's just a personal thing. If you have, you know, bigger hands and the 60mm is too small, then that's definitely your preference, and I would probably go with just the normal WuQue M as opposed to the mini WuQue M. But yeah, this cube is definitely much better than my old WuQue, which I've had for a pretty long time now. And I'll definitely be using this at my next competition. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a like, comment down below what video you want to see next, and make sure to hit the subscribe button for some more awesome content like this. This is Odyssey Cubing signing off, and as always guys, happy cubing.